Alright, I'm doing a review on the M4 Airsoft from Walmart. I came with a 1911 that I already did a review on, same exact one, just black. And yeah, on this, the accuracy on it is really good. I'm surprised. It's all plastic, but it's really nice. And it has an adjustable stock. It goes three different areas, which I use the one that's furthest in the back. The magazine on it isn't too bad. It holds about 30 rounds right here, about 20, and 400 inside it. And when you reload it, you just shake the clip, and then it'll refill it. There's a hole in there. I made a pull on it right there. Yeah. And hold up a second. It came with a flashlight, which is right here. It's really nice. It's pretty good. And it came with a foregrip. The laser I got off the clear 1911 when I did that review. I put it on here, and I like it. It just makes it look cool. So it's pretty good. The sights are good and accurate. You can flip between. There's one back here, and you can flip it depending on your altitude and the windage, I guess. So I'm gonna test shoot this and hope for the best. It'll work. The target is the cup. The white cup is the target. This has 300 FPS with 12 gram BBs, which I am using. So. We have great price, great staff, and great food. And the chili is necessary from other places because nobody's heard of putting chili over the road. The beef and the cheese and the noodles are all knocked together with a little bit of hot sauce. You know, it's really good. They brought me here and told me they put their chili on noodles. Oh my goodness, my son is great. Fresh every day, and made by John himself. Everyone, the guys never miss a day of work. It's fantastic. Got 3 more shots. Every day, 5:30 in the morning. I'm proud of it. When they keep down, and we're flying when it's only 2 hours that I use the beef themselves. You're just fooling me. Alright, that was pretty much a whole mag. Let's go get this up. I got lucky. One shot almost missed, but it still hit. If you guys didn't hear it, I farted. My dad kept laughing, so I screwed up my aiming. So, see the holes right there? Most of them went through. Wait, wrong side. Most of them went through for the most part. Some of the BBs got stuck, I think you can see. Like I said, I use towels and these so it doesn't make too much noise. And all of them went through, none of them really got stuck. Only one missed, if we can find it. One missed, and there's a little mark right there, but it still hit. You can't see it through the camera. So all rounds hit. I was mainly aiming at the middle and the top. And they make on target a lot. I would recommend this for beginners a 8 out of 10. Just because the accuracy is good, but not perfect. Everything's made of plastic and it's really light. Usually you want to look for something more heavy because it gives it more of that stability instead of it being really light.
And overall, it's pretty good. So, like you said, 8 out of 10. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. This would be good for sniping, mid-range, not long. Short range maybe, but it's pretty good. You can get attachments for it. It's the 4 rails. As I always say, like, rate, and subscribe.